Hello everyone, my name is Dave Partner. Welcome to your 24th tutorial on JavaScript. In this tutorial we'll treat a topic called events, and truly this is what makes JavaScript very interesting and very powerful, because it has it makes use of events. You can execute programs by clicking on buttons, by refreshing pages, and some scripts can trigger when things happen on your page. Alright, so here I pasted the list of the standard HTML5 events, and as you can see, it's very long. You don't need to memorize anything, you just need to know what you're looking for, Google it, find it, and use it. So I want you to look through this list at your private time. Just see what's obtainable and the descriptions. You don't need to memorize. Now here is a sample script. This is offline, and it triggers when the document goes offline. If your app or your page goes offline, offline will trigger. Offline is a script in JavaScript that will run. You have on abort, you have on afterpay, you have so many of them. Then you have some interesting ones like on key up, on press down, and you have on click, and so on. So we're going to demonstrate with one or two of them, so you understand how it's being used, and of course you can now look through the rest. As you can see, there's an on double click. Alright, now that started out, what we can do is actually demonstrate something. First of all, we're going to write a function that does something. Remember, we treated function in the past. We can say do something. That's the name of our function. You can name yours anything, and what we're going to do is maybe just pop up an alert and say I have been clicked. We want this function to run when a user clicks a button on our web page. So let's go and actually create that web page. If you've done HTML tutorial, which you should have done before you even start this tutorial, you should know the structure of an HTML document, which is HTML head. You have head, you have title, you have body. So our script is inside our body, and then let's actually let me just show you that nothing happens on our page. If we refresh, nothing will happen, because although we have a function here, we've not called the function. So let's create a button on our page. Let's say that there's a button we called click here to make $15 million now, or on that. Okay, this is a button on our page. Let's just be sure that this button works. So we have this button, and we want something to happen. As you can see, I'm clicking it and nothing is happening. We want something to happen when we click it, and that thing we want to happen is a function. We have written it in a function here. So what we can do is come here and add it as an attribute and say on click. That is when this button is clicked, and do something. Run this code. So when this button is clicked, call this function, and when this function is called, this is what we have. So we are going to check it out. We'll refresh one more time, then we'll click, and what do you have? A pop-up. So this is an event. Alright, let's let's see where the on-click event is on our list of events. So this list of events we have on click. It's a script and a JavaScript. That's what the main of the script is. A JavaScript that executes when there is a mouse click. So when you click, you have this JavaScript execution. So you have on context menu, this is left mouse click. Left mouse click. On context menu, script triggers when a context menu is triggered. Probably your right mouse click, and so on and so forth. Alright. You have on double click if something is double clicked on your page. On drag if something is dragged on your page. So you just have to write on drag. On drag. Then you tell it what function to execute when there's a drag. You have on load when the page first loads, and if somebody is watching a movie on your page, when there's a volume change, when they're increasing or decreasing, there's on submit, when a form is submitted on your page, and there are so many things. I just pasted them here so you see, and as you can see, I commented them out. And I hope you now understand what events are in JavaScript, so that when you start building a full JavaScript project, these things will be easy. Once you see them in the project, you'll recognize what they do. So thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial as we proceed deeper and deeper into JavaScript and discovering more and more interesting things. See you.